Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this McLaren key fob. You do not need any tools, you just need one replacement battery. This takes a 2032 and you can get these off Amazon. They're really cheap, there's a link below in the description. Okay, so on this back portion here, this just slides this way. So just use your thumbs and slide the back portion up. Now at this point you can remove the actual key here, and you can use this just to twist this to gain access to the battery. So put your key right here, push it in firm, and just give it a nice twist. This will unlock this piece, take out your old battery, take your new 2032, just put it in positive side facing down, and then just orient this so it slides back in here. And then use your key to lock that back up. You want to make sure these two arrows line up here. Put your key back in, and basically there's a slot right, this piece right here is going to hook under here, and then on either side these little tabs right here are going to slide into there. So just slide that in and slide it back and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.